Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 26 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm so happy to see you guys. Okay, you guys, I hope that you are all doing well this beautiful morning. Cannot believe we're on day 26. I know I feel like I've been saying that this whole time, but I'm so serious. I cannot believe that we're on day 26. So if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. You are more than welcome to do this video, or you can check the description box down below and you will see the link for day 1. Again, you can do whatever you want, right? So do whatever pleases you. You can do this video and then tomorrow go to day 1, whatever suits you. So like all the days, we're gonna start off with our morning affirmation, which is, I invite you to close your eyes if you would like to. Here it goes. I have the power to change. Allow that to sink in. I have the power to change. That is a hard one for a lot of us, but it is true. We do have the power to change. Okay, you guys. So we are going to start off like all the mornings with our cleansing breath and our 3 ohms. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get an easy pose if you are not already there. Make sure that we're really opening up the chest and try not to lean too much forward when we're doing our ohms. Something I have to work on as well, to be very mindful of that. Okay, you guys, we're prepared. We're going to inhale through the nose and out through the mouth. We inhale, beginning our ohms. We inhale. We inhale, last one. Allowing the breath to transition back to its normal rhythm. Okay, you guys, let's open our eyes. And from here, we're going to do a seated cat-cow. If you have a block underneath you, go ahead and get that out of the way so we can really connect our sit bones to the mat or to the floor. Okay, we are going to put our hands on our knees. We're going to inhale, arching the back. And we are going to exhale, curving the spine, navel to spine. We inhale, opening up through the chest, staying strong, and exhale, curving the spine. We inhale, and we exhale. One more, we inhale, and we exhale. Great, you guys. From here, we're going to just do alternating shoulder rolls. Warming up the body. And take it the other direction. Great, you guys. From here, if you want to just shake it out. Okay, great. We're going to take it to tabletop position. Taking the opposite leg out with the opposite arm, taking it out and coming back in, knee and elbow meet. Exhale, taking it out. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Let's do 2 more. We inhale and exhale, taking it out. 1 more and exhale, taking it out. Beautiful. Switching sides. Inhale in, exhale out. Great job, you guys. Okay, bring it in and out. And out. 2 more. And out. Warming up the body, warming up the core, and out. Beautiful. From here, we're going to do a modified plank. And we're going to take that knee out to where it's parallel to the side wall, making sure we don't collapse too much in this side. If you need a block, you can put one underneath here in your hand. We're going to pivot the pelvis towards the sky a little, opening up, lengthening in through the side body, allowing the head to fall, really feeling that tailbone is tucked, pushing and releasing. Beautiful. From here, we're going to take it to the other side. Hand falls. We switch sides. Putting that block underneath the hand if you need to. We inhale, lifting up the arm, taking it all the way over. Really feeling that. Stretching all throughout the arm. Beautiful, and taking it back down. From here, we're going to tuck the back toes, floating the hips up into downward facing dog. Pedaling it out here, moving the hips from left to right. Firing up the body. From here, we're going to walk the feet a little bit closer, taking the feet to the width of the mat. We are going to inhale, reaching our right arm to take our left leg. Okay. Bending the knees if you need to. It's always good to have a little micro bend. And we're going to exhale, taking the right hand to meet the left ankle. Bending this right leg if you want to. Feeling the difference in the stretch. And then from here, we're going to bring the feet together, walking the feet up to the hands, forward fold, Uttanasana. We're going to inhale straight back and exhale forward fold, bending the knees, allowing the chest to meet the top of the thighs, and then just allow the head to hang. From here, you can clasp on to the elbows if you would like. Finding your breath here. We're going to unclasp those elbows if they are. Straighten out the legs just a little. From here, we're going to take the feet out a little bit past the mat. If it's more comfortable, you can go the other way if you need more space. We're going to take it down into Malasana or Garland pose. Taking your time here. If this is uncomfortable for you or if you've just started, you can get a block or books. Place it underneath and you can sit here. Another great way is you can go up against the wall if you need a little bit more back support. Malasana is amazing for digestion, especially in the morning. I highly suggest doing Malasana. So it's very, very effective and just all around just great for the whole body. Beautiful. Also in the morning, sometimes we need that little block. Also, you can take it out, have a little bit more active Malasana. Beautiful. From here, we're going to take the hands up, extend the legs just a little. And from here, you can either step or jump back into plank pose. Holding here, staying strong, firing up the belly. And we're gonna drop down knees. Chin and chest. And we're gonna inhale, taking it to baby cobra. And exhale, taking it to balasana, child's pose. Finding our breath. Relaxing through the neck and the shoulders. Releasing any leftover tension. Allowing the body to feel like jello. Whenever you're ready, using the fingertips, we walk up to thunderbolt position with the eyes remaining closed. Taking your time here, keeping this moment for you. When you're ready, we inhale, hands stretch above the head, reaching, palms meet, fingertips wide. We exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you all so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. Thank you so much. I am incredibly proud of y'all, and you should be of yourself. So seriously, it's amazing. Just staying consistent, even if you missed a few days, for 26 days is just phenomenal. So this is how you create habits. This is how you stay on a healthy, positive path. Again, thank you all so much. If you have any comments, if you want to see any new videos or anything in the future, or to tell me how your practice went, please leave it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. I love you guys. Ciao.